Welcome to this series of introductory videos about AAT by Sata.
Are your Appian managers overwhelmed by huge workloads at the end of sprints? Do delays in development drown out your QA team under a pile of work? Does this put back your sprint delivery or delay new sprints? Do you need to reduce costs without hurting the project's quality? At Theta, we're Appian experts, and this is how we solve it with Appian Automated Testing. Sometimes we think additional testers are a great way to improve quality. However, it comes at a premium price. So, more often than not, we have to face a direct cost to quality trade-off. With Appian Automated Testing, it doesn't have to be this way. With our software, your project has capacity for exponential growth without the need to ask for raises in the testing budget. Even more, with Appian Automated Testing, there is no need for testers to be tech wizards. Our tool has a comprehensive, no-code interface which allows testers to set up specific tests without the need for a single line of code. It is likely that a large portion of the QA team has been allocated to regression testing. What's more, it seems like the amount of people who have to deal with regression only grows as every new version becomes more complicated. This implies that almost every new version is also more expensive and takes longer. With Appian Automated Testing, this doesn't have to be true. Your QA team will be able to exploit their full potential by setting up automations. Even more so, this will allow the QA team to come in the morning and find that all regression tests have been done and are ready. You may be wondering, why not just use a generic automatic testing tool? That idea becomes less viable when you consider the hefty price of all these tools. Additionally, those tools are complicated to use and require well-trained and experienced personnel, which may not be the best for the project's budget. Instead, Appian Automated Testing is an affordable alternative to those traditional tools. Moreover, our tool has an easy-to-understand, no-code interface which allows any QA tester, with tech permission or not, to run the test. It's no secret that QA testers can have a complicated time even with the most minimal delays from development. Whilst their predicted workload is manageable, unforeseen issues in development quickly delay the entire testing process. This makes testers' work accumulate towards the end of the sprint. Visualize this. Your QA team must carry out 500 daily tests on the last 5 days of the sprint. A 1-day delay increases this to 625 daily tests, and a 2-day delay turns it into an over 800 daily test inferno. It's easy to see how this can hurt sprint times and stress out QA teams. We solve this by shifting testers' workload left. Instead of getting sudden peaks of work at the end of sprints, the testing process runs in parallel with development, so any inconvenience has minimal impact for the QA team.
Thanks for watching. You can get more information or book a demo at thetaSL.com or by contacting marketing@thetaSL.com.